So I had worked with KI in the past, and I knew how flexible they were in product development. So I got a hold of KI, explained to him what our challenge was, what we were trying to do. And he said, you know, I think I've got just a thing for you. So we've been here for 2 months now, and I've been involved in a lot of moves over my career. With this move, they're embracing this agile workspace. They're embracing the ability to make changes when they need the changes and not have to call up facilities and say, can you guys start planning a change for me that'll happen in 2 or 3 weeks. The privacy issue that so many people were concerned about is really not an issue because what we have is a lot of collaboration happening.
So one of the things that I noticed when we were just in cubicles with high walls before, the collaboration still just didn't really happen inside the cubicles. But now that we've opened it up and used these new walls that are movable and then the desks that we can move around, collaboration, each move we make, collaboration gets higher and higher. Once we gave them time to move around and talk about with each other what their individual needs are in this space, their attitude now is, I get more work done than I've ever got done before.
My first impression of our new workspaces was one of a little bit of apprehension at first to very excited for the possibilities of what we could do. This setup has changed my usual work habits by increasing my ability to collaborate with my coworkers. I didn't realize what I was missing before, frankly, is what it comes down to. We thought we had a good collaborative team before. With this position, not only can we easily access one another, but also, if there's a long-term project that we're working on, it really helps us to pull our desks together and work as a group for a while. And it's really revolutionized how quickly we can work together. I would definitely recommend this system to other companies. If collaboration is important to you, this system allows you to do that.
So with our new layout, where people are able to shift around how they work, where they work, how they relate to their co-workers, we have found, just in the 2 months we've been doing this in this building, we found that there's been a huge difference in the ability of people to work together and the ability of people to customize how they're working in their space. There's a real energy that comes from this environment, and it's made possible because of the tattoo furniture.